Hey, this is K-Man from electricwheelchairsusa.com. My nephew's helping me today. He wanted me to say K-Man, but my name is Kellen, and today we're going to go over the Triaxe Sport. It's by a company called Enhance Mobility. Now, the Triaxe Sport is a unique folding mobility scooter. So once the battery is removed, it weighs 44 pounds. It can support 350 pounds of weight. Not many folding scooters on the market can do that. There's also two different batteries. So you have an airline approved battery, which can reach up to 18 miles on a single charge. And as far as an airline approved battery, there's not many out there that could do that. So that's the longest range I've heard of in an airline approved battery. Or you can get a battery with more range that can go up to 35 miles on a single charge. But just keep in mind that one is not airline approved. Also, if you're looking for a catalog that you can hold in your hands and flip through some of our top sellers, we can send that to you. Just go to the top of our website where it says free catalog, fill out your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once you have filled that out. You can also call us to provide that as well. So let's get into it. We're going to show you some more about this really cool scooter. So on the tiller of the Triaxe Sport, it's pretty simplistic compared to a lot of mobility scooters out there. This is your battery gauge. So you can see there's only 3 lights. There's actually another light down here, so I think if all 5 are lit up, that's when it's fully charged. So it's about 75% charged. Obviously you have a key for security, so you can remove the key and take it with you. It accelerates, it's a twist grip throttle, so it accelerates right here. A lot of scooters, the whole handlebar will grip like that if it has a twist grip throttle, but it only accelerates just from this part. This side does not have that. It's just a regular handlebar. There are no electromagnetic brakes on the scooter, so a lot of mobility scooters, once you let off the throttle, the brakes will automatically engage. Now with this scooter, it doesn't do that. So when you let off the throttle, it's going to continue to move forward and drift, just like a regular bicycle. So you have to use the handbrake and make sure you brake squeezing that. So those are 2 things that you should keep in mind before purchasing this. Also, if you're left-handed and you wanted the throttle on the left side, we can make that happen. So we can swap this over here and put the handbrake on this side. Just call us before ordering. Now, as far as the controls on this side, we've got a headlight, which is down here. You can see the front headlight. It's hard to see during the day, but you can see it on my hand there. It's got 3 speeds, so 1, 2, and 3. The top speed on this scooter is 12 miles per hour. So that's really fast for a mobility scooter and something that you need to keep in mind as well. So if you don't want to go really fast and you're traveling around through crowds of people, you might want to keep it at that 1 setting, so that way your top speed is only 4 miles per hour. It also comes with a horn, and this is the forward and reverse switch.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Next, comment below with your thoughts on this video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
Now, as far as the tiller, some tillers are angle adjustable. This one is only height adjustable, so it's a telescoping tiller. So I'm pretty tall. I'm going to keep it up to like the highest level. It also has this basket that comes standard, and it's removable, has a handle. If you want to go shopping, it's an easy thing to take off and take with you. And as far as the seat, now this is the standard seat. This is a 13-inch wide seat. You can upgrade to an 18-inch wide seat. It does have it's a thick seat, has a lot of padding. You need all that padding to support high weight capacity. Another thing that a lot of people don't know about this chair is if you go around here to the back, you can see there's a little lever right here. So when you fold it down, that's the flat position. But I've seen a lot of people will not unfold it correctly. So as far as moving the seat up, you press that same latch, and it has 2 seat heights. So here's the first seat height, and then the second one is up here. So I'm gonna put it in the second one because I'm a tall rider. Also, another really cool thing is a lot of people don't know about the scooter is on the back, this is a luggage rack. So you can put your luggage on the back here and ride through the airport. Really cool. There's 2 settings. So this is like if you had a big piece, the other set is right here. And this also has your anti-tip wheels. So if you're going up a steep incline, you have these wheels in case you happen to tip backwards. Another thing to keep in mind too, as far as it being airline approved, if you have the airline approved battery, the airline is going to make you take off the battery. So easy to access. You can pull it out right here. There's actually a little pin. I have to pull that pin and unplug it. And then you would be required to take this on. This is actually where you charge the battery as well. You charge it directly on the battery pack itself. Pretty light. It weighs about 8 pounds. So I'm gonna plug this back in. So now I'm gonna show you how to fold this thing. So first thing, if you happen to use the luggage rack, you don't always have to pull this out. So it's used for anti-tip wheels or if you have luggage, but a lot of times people just have it pushed in at all times. So you don't have to have that pulled out. So if you're gonna fold it, make sure you push it all the way in. At the front, I wanted to point this out before I fold this. It does have a front suspension for like absorbing bumps in the road. You can kind of see the give there. So in order to fold it, first step you're gonna do is I'm gonna actually remove the basket and take that off. The second thing is I want to push the seat down. So that lever I showed you previously, press that and hold it all the way down. And while I'm doing this, I want to show you one other thing. So when I was showing you there's two seat heights, if I pull this up to the first height, it's going to stop right there. But you can see the bars right here. If I keep my hand there to go to the next position, it's going to pinch my finger. So you got to make sure you're very careful of that when you're lifting up to the highest position. I'm going to also fold the seat back down and we'll continue with folding up the scooter. And then here's a latch right here. That's how you fold down the tiller. You actually press this little knob up and then it folds forward like that, which will allow you to fold this down. Now at this point, this is how you can wheel it behind you. You can actually, if you're wheeling it behind you, you probably want to extend this out. So let me extend this out to that first position. And now I can roll on these back wheels. So if you were in an airport, you can wheel it behind you on these wheels. Or you don't have to, you can wheel it on those wheels as well. So that's how you would fold it. So if you are flying with this and you have the airline approved battery, you would have to remove the battery and bring it on with you as a carry-on. And then you would check the scooter with the airline. So that is how you would unfold it, fold it back up, super easy. Also, another thing to note, the scooter does come in multiple color choices, so you can customize it the way you'd like. The Triaxe Sport is it's been around for a long time. We've been selling the scooter for several years. It's been a top seller. It was actually out of stock for about maybe a year and a half, and it was due to inventory issues. They're having a hard time getting product during COVID. I've now been told by Enhance Mobility they're fully stocked, so there's no issue. And it's a really fun scooter to ride. I mean, as long as you have the dexterity to, you're okay with going fast and you have the dexterity to use the handbrake, it's really fun to use. If you have any questions about the Triaxe Sport or really any of Enhance Mobility's products, definitely call us. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. And when you purchase an Enhance Mobility product, it does come with a 1-year labor contract. That's something that we throw in for free. So if there's any issue in the first year, we're gonna try to troubleshoot that over the phone to see if we can fix it. But if we can't get it fixed, Enhance Mobility will send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue. So if you have any questions, call us, or you can visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.